Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for August 17th, 2009. I'm Jason Ayers of OptionsSource.net. As always, we're going to take a minute to look at our U.S. dollar index on a weekly basis. As you can see here, the U.S. dollar is still flirting with the 78 support level on our weekly chart, and a breakthrough is likely to settle at that 76-77 focal zone. Now, the U.S. dollar bulls really have to dig their heels in and pull the index above 79.80 zone. A rejection here, once again, will likely result in a move down towards that 76-77 focal zone in the near-term picture. Now, our daily chart shows Friday's bounce off of 78, and we'll be watching that 79 pivot closely. A break above should signal a move higher. Well, the U.S. dollar found support at the 108 level as it attempted to strengthen against the Canadian dollar last week. Now, we were looking at the 109 level as being an important pivot point, and with the CDD back above that level, a move to 111, 112 cannot be ruled out. A pullback with a break below 108 is likely to look for support within that 103, 104 box. Well, the U.S. dollar gave back a good portion of the previous week's gains against the yen as the YUK rejected at our 98.99 focal zone, sliced through our 96.97 zone to close the week within the 94.95 range. Now, if this level holds, a bounce should bring the pair value back up into that 96.97 level. However, continued weakness confirmed by a break below 94 brings that 92.93 box into play. Well, the U.S. dollar pulled back to a measured retracement level and bounced, strengthening against the euro and ending the week within our 70.5 support zone. Now, we would like to see a close above 71.5 to confirm a bigger picture upside move. A break below 70 opens the window for a continuation to the downside into our 68.5 box. Watch for a break of this upper trend line as an early signal for a continuation to the upside. Well, the BPX, the U.S. versus the pound, is flirting with resistance at the 60.5 to 61 focal zone. Now, a move above opens the window for a continuation into the 62-63 range. If the pair value is unable to break this level, we may see a retest of the 59.5 focal zone with a break below 60 as an early indication of this move. Well, the AUX, the U.S. versus the Australian dollar, retested support at the 117, 118 level. Now, we saw a nice bounce on Friday. However, the pair value needs to break the 121, 122 level to confirm a more robust upside move. If support at 117, 118 does not hold, we'll be looking for a move down towards the 114, 115 box. And finally, let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar tested the 79.80 focal zone and pulled back to a measured retracement level. Although we may be seeing a short-term bull flag, we would like to see a break above 79.60 to confirm. The CDD also completed a measured retracement and bounced. A break above 110.5 will lend credibility to a continuation to the upside. The YUK sold off significantly but appears to have found some support in at the 95, 95.5 focal zone. If support holds here, the window is open for a bigger picture continuation to the upside. The EUI retraced to a measured level as well. A break above 71 will likely follow through with a bigger picture upside move. However, there is a resistance level at 71.5 that needs to be overcome. The BPX is consolidating above 60. A break above 61 will likely yield a test of 62.63 in the near term. And finally, the AUX tested a support range down at the 117, 118 focal zone. Once again, a break above 121 should signal a move towards 125, 126. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for August 17th, 2009. I'm Jason Ayers of OptionsSource.net. Thanks for joining me this week. We'll see you here next week.